Add this to your morning coffee, the secret to stronger muscles after 60. You know that feeling when your legs just don't move like they used to? You stand up from your favorite chair and it takes a little extra push. The stairs feel steeper, the balance a bit less steady. Most people say, oh well, that's just age. But here's the truth. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just fate, it's biology. And the good news? You can nudge your body to rebuild strength every single morning, starting with your cup of coffee. Stick with me, because what you add to that coffee might be the simplest way to bring back strength, stability, and confidence. One sip at a time. After 60, our bodies naturally lose about 1% of muscle mass every year. That means by the time we hit 70 or 75, our legs, arms, and even our balance muscles are working with less support. And here's the kicker. Most of that loss happens quietly, while we sleep. At night, our bodies break down muscle for energy. So by morning, your muscles are actually hungry. Now, coffee wakes you up, sure, but it doesn't feed those muscles. That's where this trick comes in. By adding just a couple of natural ingredients, things you probably already have in your kitchen, you can turn your morning coffee into a powerful muscle-supporting drink. So today, I'll walk you through 3 key pillars for aging strong: timing, balance, and awareness. And then I'll share the simple recipe that helps your body say, I'm ready to move again. Think of this like a small daily practice, built on 3 words. Timing, when you give your body what it needs. Balance, how much and how often. Awareness, knowing what signs to watch for and when to check in with your doctor. We'll build from there, 1 cup at a time. Morning is when your muscles are most ready to rebuild. After hours of fasting overnight, your muscle cells are open, like dry soil waiting for rain. If you drink plain coffee on an empty stomach, you get alertness, but no repair. Add the right kind of protein, and you turn that energy boost into a rebuilding signal. The science is simple. Protein provides amino acids, the bricks of muscle tissue. Coffee increases blood flow, helping those amino acids reach your muscles faster. So when you combine the two, coffee and protein, you're not just waking up your mind, you're fueling your body at the exact time it can use it best. That's why many seniors who do this daily notice something surprising. They stand up easier. They feel steadier walking across the room, and their morning energy lasts longer without the crash. Morning timing equals maximum muscle rebuilding. Let's build your muscle-friendly coffee step by step. Each ingredient plays a unique role. Ingredient 1, whey protein isolate. This is the star of the show. It's a clean, fast-absorbing form of protein that your muscles can digest within 20 to 30 minutes. It contains leucine, an amino acid that tells your muscles, time to repair. Just 1 scoop in your morning coffee can make a visible difference in balance and energy within a few weeks. Tip: let your coffee cool slightly before adding whey. Too hot and it may clump. Stir it well until smooth. If you're sensitive to dairy, try half a scoop first, or choose a lactose-free isolate. Ingredient 2, unsweetened cocoa powder. Who doesn't love a bit of chocolate flavor? Pure cocoa, not the sugary mix, is rich in antioxidants that boost blood flow. Better blood flow equals better delivery of nutrients to your muscles. It also provides magnesium, which helps your muscles relax and contract smoothly. Many older adults are low in magnesium. That's why cramps or leg stiffness often show up. Just 1 teaspoon of cocoa in your coffee can make a difference in circulation and comfort. Ingredient 3, Ceylon cinnamon. This one is powerful but gentle. Ceylon cinnamon, the true cinnamon, helps your body use insulin more efficiently, meaning it can pull nutrients into muscle cells faster. It also helps stabilize blood sugar. No morning crash, no shaky feeling mid-morning. Just steady, calm energy. Start with half a teaspoon and work up to 1 full teaspoon as you like the taste. And always choose Ceylon, not Cassia. It's sweeter, milder, and safer for daily use. Combine these 3 and you've created something special. A complete morning blend that supports your muscles, joints, and energy. All in 1 cup. If this already makes sense to you, if you've ever felt your legs just not listening the way they used to, then please give this video a quick like and subscribe to Live Well, Age Well. Your small click helps us reach thousands of older adults who want to stay strong, balanced, and independent, naturally. Now let's move to something just as important as the ingredients: awareness.
Even healthy changes need mindfulness. Here's what to keep in mind as you start this simple routine. Watch your response. When you first start adding protein or cinnamon to coffee, you may feel fuller longer or less hungry. That's normal. Protein stabilizes appetite. Stay hydrated. Protein increases your body's need for water, so drink an extra glass mid-morning to support digestion and kidney function. Check with your doctor if you have kidney problems or diabetes, you're on medications for blood pressure or blood sugar. You use blood thinners, as cinnamon can mildly affect clotting. These ingredients are gentle, but your health situation is unique. Your doctor can confirm what's right for you. Be patient. Muscle rebuilding isn't an overnight fix. It's like watering a plant. Steady, consistent effort pays off. Most people notice. Week 1, less stiffness in the morning. Week 3, easier balance and smoother movement. Week 6, confidence returning. Walking stairs or gardening feels safer. The power isn't in 1 cup, it's in many mornings in a row. Add 1 scoop whey isolate to warm, not boiling, coffee. Mix in 1 teaspoon cocoa plus half to 1 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon. Drink within 30 minutes of waking. Stay hydrated and keep a balanced breakfast later. Avoid skipping breakfast completely, using sugary cocoa mixes, adding too much cinnamon, cassia type, over-reliance on supplements instead of real food. Watch for dizziness or lightheadedness. May need more hydration. Upset stomach. Start with half portions. Check if any medication interactions apply. Ask of doctor before long-term use if you have kidney or diabetes concerns. This isn't a replacement for meals. It's a gentle boost to your morning muscle support. Question 1. Can I add milk or sweetener? Yes, a splash of milk or non-sugar sweetener is fine. Avoid heavy cream or syrups. Question 2. What if I can't use whey protein? Try collagen peptides instead. They support joints and still provide amino acids, though they're milder for muscle growth. Question 3. Can I drink this later in the day? Sure, but morning gives the best results because your muscles are most receptive after fasting. Question 4. How long until I feel a difference? Most people feel steadier within 2 to 3 weeks if consistent. Question 5. Is this safe with my medications? Usually yes, but if you're managing blood sugar, blood pressure, or kidney function, always ask your doctor first. Let's recap one last time. Morning is your muscle rebuilding window. Whey protein gives your muscles the fuel they crave. Cocoa improves circulation. Cinnamon supports blood sugar and nutrient absorption. 3 simple steps. 1 morning cup. A stronger, steadier you. Built one day at a time. Medical disclaimer. This video is for education and general wellness only. It does not replace medical advice. If you have chronic illness, are on medication, or plan to change your diet, please consult your doctor first. And remember, your body never stops trying to heal. You just have to give it the right support. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Live Well, Age Well. Together, let's help more seniors rediscover strength, balance, and vitality. One morning at a time.